Okay, so we've filled our watering can to the brim with water, mixed our compost juice, and we're just going to, basically we just pour it on. So it's basically just a matter of doing that with it. Now these are broad beans and they've only been in a week or so, and they're going like crazy. My wife and I can both admit to not being the greatest gardeners in the world, but since we started using this this juice out of the bottom of our composter, we've all of a sudden become quite successful. And we're going to pull this up. So this is our veggie pod. You can give them a shout out because we love this as well. Just a little, every couple of days we do this. And they say these have been in a week and a bit I think, and they're going real good. And that's about it. So the compost will go back into the kitchen and ready for the next little scraps. So you can find our Urban Composters on our site at www.anotherway.co.nz along with some other pretty interesting products. So hope to see you there.